Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a vision board in Canva. Alright guys, so this is a clear example of what a vision board is full of. The health aspects, the learning, the career path, travel, love, and in the middle we have the 2025 vision board. So let's say you want to go about creating yours. All you need to do is quite simple. Open up canva.com, make sure you have an account on Canva. If you do not have an account, use the sign up option to simply sign up for Canva. Once you have signed up, sign into your account and then head over to the home section and click on template. Once you have selected template, go ahead and type in vision board. Making a board from scratch doesn't cost anything, but it's easier to get it done when you already have a template to follow through with, which is what we're going to be using in this video. So you can see there are over 100 or 200 templates you can actually work with towards achieving your goal. And now I'm going to be showing you how you can make your vision board from these templates. All you need to do is go ahead and open up a template you would like to use. I went with this at the start of the video. So once you have clicked on a vision board or a vision board template, go ahead and click on customize this template. Or you could even scroll through and select more vision boards that represent the above. All right, so I selected this, and now to make this into my vision board, all I need to do is just edit the year and also edit the text color. So the text color is white. You could make yours black so it, kind of stands out. So let's go ahead and click on change all, and immediately you can see a difference in the contrast. And then for the colors, you could just simply change the document colors from, the color that's here to something like yellow, but I believe that that's still for text. All right, so you can now begin editing this by just selecting on any of the images here, clicking on the three dotted icons. There should be an option to replace it. If you don't see that option, just go ahead and click on delete and then fill in the blank space with a picture from your uploads. So just go ahead and upload a picture into this space here, and then you can do this for all of these individual boxes. All right, guys. So once you have changed in the images here, you can finish it up by clicking on share at the top right and then clicking on download. And then you can now post it on your Instagram, Pinterest, or any social media platform. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.